Hey everybody, it's Natasha with the Food Factor. If you want dessert for breakfast, then this overnight blueberry French toast recipe is simple. Let's get into it. All right, I have lightly greased the dish and I've already cut up the bread cubes. And remember, in the recipe, you're gonna use 6 slices for the bottom layer, and then you're gonna use 6 slices for the top layer. So I've already cubed those, and I have cubed our cream cheese, which I'm going to just sprinkle on top. Next, we're gonna add an egg mixture, which has eggs, milk, vanilla extract. It also has syrup, cornstarch, sugar, and water, and all of that has been mixed together. I've covered our dish with foil, and now we're gonna put it in the refrigerator and let it sit overnight. Hey everybody, here's a reminder. Remember to take the casserole dish out 30 minutes before you're ready to put it in the oven. And you're gonna put it in the oven on 350, covered for 30 minutes, and then uncover it, put it back in the oven for another 25 to 30 minutes.